Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And today's video is another one sponsored by Gaswine. And Gaswine is a company based in America, but they do ship worldwide, where you can get all of your metalsmithing tools. If you are going to head over to their site, it's www.gaswine.com. Then please remember that you can get a 5% discount with the code EST21 and you will support my channel on the go. So this is a sponsored post, but as always you will receive my honest opinion, and luckily the people at Gaswine don't want it any other way. And for today's video I got to test this machine. And this is the Gemoro, I hope I pronounce it correctly, Ultra Spa. And I am really looking forward to test this one, because it isn't only an ultrasonic device, it has a clean steamer as well. And price-wise, this one is very interesting, because it's just a fraction of the price of the ultrasonic device I normally use. This is everything that comes with the box. Now let's find out what everything is for. I am going to get rid of these stickers. And I'll grab myself a cup of coffee while I go through the manual. And they already get bonus points for including a guideline for gemstone cleaning. So if you are cleaning a piece of jewelry with a gemstone in it, check out this guide, because you can't use this cleaning device on all types of gemstones. And while I was going through the manual, I came to the conclusion that this machine isn't suitable to use in European countries. At least it isn't if you are not using a machine like this. This is a step-down voltage converter, so it will take down the 230 voltage we use, at least in the Netherlands, to a 110 voltage like this machine has, and that way I can use this machine without damaging it. Let's plug it in so we can get started with this tool review. Let's fill up the top part of the machine, the ultrasonic part, with some water. And I am going to add some ultrasonic cleaner, but you can use a little bit of dishwater soap as well. I'm going to insert this plastic container and the lid. And at the back of the machine you will find this knob that you can remove. And you can fill up this tank by using the funnel that comes with the machine. And the instructions are clear at this point. You can use 2 cups of 5 ounces. Or 1 cup of 5 ounce and 1 cup of 6 ounce for a maximum steam capacity. Let's add the first 5 ounces. And I'm going to go straight for the 6 ounces. Before putting the knob back in, you need to make sure that this is completely dry. And when in use, this part is going to be very hot. So please be careful. And you need to tighten, but not over tighten the knob. We can add this basket in the front. And you can place this steam residue mat in front of the machine to protect your furniture. And now all we need to do is switch this on. And we have to wait for about 6 minutes for everything to warm up. And as soon as the green light goes on, you can use the machine. First observation, the ultrasonic part on top of the machine, the water is still very cold, so this hasn't heated up. I am not really sure if this will clean properly, but let's just put something in there and find out. And I did my best to really dirty up some designs, such as this ring. So let's place this one in the ultrasonic part first. And I'll turn it on by pressing this button. Now I think we can be clear that this definitely is working. What I am happy about is that the sound isn't as intrusive as my normal ultrasonic device, because that is a noise that I have to edit out of every video because you just can't stand the noise. And I am going to stop this one right now because I am curious if this is warming up. No, it isn't. Okay, so never put your fingers in there when it's running. I'm going to turn this one back on and it will take a 6-minute cycle, or it's programmed to work for 6 minutes. So I'll be back with you after 6 minutes. And I just have to do a small hearing test. This is the Pro Jewelry Cleaner. And this is my normal ultrasonic. Here we go. And I have to say that I am very happy with this one. The sound, not so much. This one stopped on its own. The blue light went out so I can safely get my ring. And I am going to be very critical of the result here. I can see that it cleaned almost anything, but there are a couple of spots where there still is some residue from the polishing compound. I really put it to the test with the difference in depth in this ring. Let's test the steam function while we're at it. You need to press this one shortly twice, and then the steamer will turn on. And I have no idea what to expect here, so I'm just going to go for it. Oh my God. Okay, I just had to zoom out a bit to show you what's happening over here. I think it's not just cleaning the jewelry, but maybe I will get a bit freshened up as well. I was expecting that the steamer would stay on for some time, but it will only go on while I press this button, so I have to operate it with one hand while in the other holding the jewelry. And it's going to be one steamy video. So result-wise, I can only be impressed. This really is nice and clean. I'm not really sure how I am feeling about using it. But I have never worked with a steam cleaner before, so maybe this is normal. Again, the result is perfect, so I am just going to put it to the test with another one of my pieces. As you can see, there is a lot of build-up from the polishing compound here. So I am going to place this in the ultrasonic part first. Same goes for this model, and I did choose the hardest models to clean. And finally this one, let's see if we can clean this up in this ultrasonic / steam device. I'm going to turn this on. And I am amazed how good this result is, or how well it's cleaning, especially since this is cold water. I don't know if it would do better if it was warm water. So now I'm questioning, why does my ultrasonic device, or the one I have been using so far, why does that one come with a heat element? Because if it isn't necessary, why is it there? And if it is necessary, then why doesn't this one have it? But if the results are okay, I'm not complaining. I am curious to see if this one will work while the ultrasonic device is on. So let's test this. So you can use this separately, and I think that is a big plus, so you can keep on working. I can't even see where my pieces are at, so much dirt is coming free. Let's just use this while the ultrasonic is still working. And again, I am being extremely critical. This might look like some dirt, but it isn't. It's just a shadow falling over the ring. And normally, after using an ultrasonic, I would go about this with a toothbrush and some dishwasher soap to take out some little chunks that were left, but there's nothing left here, so this really is looking nice. And I haven't cleaned this one with the steamer yet. This came out of the ultrasonic like this. I think this is already looking very nice. Here we still have some residue left, so let's see if the steamer will blow this away. This is some excellent video material. And the reason why I was so interested in testing this machine is because it comes at a fraction of the price of an ELMA ultrasonic device. I think we can safely say that I did put this machine to the test with all of those hooks and nooks in here. I do like the result. Everything is clean, it's looking nice. It is a complete machine, so I really like that they thought of everything, such as how you can clean small earrings, with the funnel you can use to add the water, a pair of tweezers, a small mat to protect your furniture. As stated before, I am surprised by the top part here, that the water is still cold and yet it is really working and cleaning, so kudos there. So what I would change about this machine is the ability to run out dirty water with a tap or water that you're not using anymore, and a bit more concentration in the steam outlet here, so that it's a bit finer and it doesn't feel like I'm in some scary movie with steam going everywhere. But I do have to say that I am impressed with the results, and I think that it comes for a very nice price, and you even get the steam function as a bonus. And before I say goodbye, I forgot to tell you something very important in the introduction of this video, because my channel has surpassed 60,000 subscribers. Thank you very, very, very much. So for all of you out there who have clicked the like button, left a message or a comment in the comment section below one of my videos, shared their work, left a small tip, or shared my channel amongst your metalsmithing friends, thank you so much. We are doing this together, and I love how everybody is helping each other out in the comment section, so please continue. I am very happy with it, and I am lost for words. Not something that happens quite often, but I think it's the case right now, so thank you very much. And Gaswine, of course, a special thanks to you for having my back, supporting my channel, and sending me the most awesome stuff to play around with. This was a fun one. I had a laugh, and I am left with clean jewelry, so what could you want more? Thank you very much, and I hope to see you all again at the next Estona tutorials.